Hi, Eric. This is Lane. I'm giving you video feedback this week because I kind of sliced off part of my finger, so I'm typing is a little more challenging for me this week. So I just wanted to give you some feedback on your lesson plan. I think your objectives look good. But I'm going to go specifically because I saw your objectives are reflected in your actual lesson plan. I really like that you've chosen an article from News ELA about esports camps. That seems like one that would be very motivating for Dominic, and that you're assessing his speed and fluency. One thing I also love that you're using the words that he's missing to help focus on vocabulary and word work. So that is a wonderful connection between your instruction assessment and your planning of instruction. So, and I agree about that article on a topic that interests him. I do think that that's really good that you're thinking about the length of an article and have chosen a slightly smaller article. Good for you for continuing to challenge Dominic with his vocabulary and just kind of keep pushing him forward. I see that you're going to kind of keep pushing him to see how high he can go, and that's great that you're all the way at a 7th grade list. So keep going with that. See how high he can go with that. And I also like the fact that you said you're going to maybe pull some vocabulary from the article that you're using from News ELA. I see that you're not really doing a whole lot on text comprehension this week, and my only thought is you might want to build some comprehension into your fluency passage. Maybe after he reads that, you can have him do a 5-finger what was the story or what was this passage about, just kind of some quick turn and talk, some summaries there that might be good to kind of make sure you hit some of that fluency. And it does seem like writing seems to be an area that you've been working a lot with Dominic, which is great. I love the literacy game, and I like that every week you're kind of doing some slight changing with this. Just a little bit of adaptation to kind of make it feel fresh. So I think it sounds good. So excellent. Good job. I think you're in good shape today.